Hey plant lovers, do you struggle to keep your indoor tropical plants alive? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you 3 game-changing tips that will help you master indoor tropical plant care with ease. Indoor tropical plants can be a bit tricky to care for, but with just 3 simple tips, you'll be able to nurture your green beauties like a pro. Let's face it, indoor tropical plants face common issues like overwatering, lack of sunlight, and pesky pests. These challenges can be a real headache for plant parents, but fear not, we're here to help you tackle them head on. First things first, let's talk about the importance of proper watering schedules. Overwatering is a common mistake that can lead to root rot and other issues. Make sure to let the top layer of soil dry out before watering again to keep your plants happy and healthy. Next up, lighting conditions play a crucial role in the growth of indoor tropical plants. Most tropical plants thrive in bright, indirect light, so be sure to place them near a sunny window or invest in grow lights to mimic natural sunlight. And finally, pest prevention is key to maintaining the health of your plants. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of infestation and treat them promptly with natural or chemical solutions to keep those pesky bugs at bay. Now, here comes the exciting part. The 3 key tips that will revolutionize your indoor tropical plant care routine. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Stick to a consistent watering schedule and always check the soil moisture before watering. Tip number 2. Provide your plants with the right amount of light by placing them in a spot with bright, indirect sunlight. Tip number 3. Keep an eye out for pests and treat any infestations immediately to protect your plant babies. To wrap things up, remember these 3 tips can truly transform the health and growth of your indoor tropical plants. By following these simple guidelines, you'll be well on your way to becoming a plant care pro in no time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips, and share this video with your fellow plant enthusiasts. Together, we can all help our indoor tropical plants thrive. Thanks for watching and happy planting. Bye.